Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that 1666 that arrived, $750 on eBay with its original tender. Now, I took the tender, of course, it had plastic tilt couplers, and I put a Lionel adapter on the tilt coupler. It just goes down through the slot and is held with a paper joiner, as you see. So anyway, its first trip around the rail with a Lionel consist using its original tender. So I just want to do a quick video on this. As you see, up and running. So it's actually a nice old locomotive. So it was worth $7.50, there's no doubt about that. Anyway, it looks nice, it runs nice, has its original tender. So the only thing left to do really is to give it a nice bath, oil it really well, and then run it. That's what it needs now. Lubrication and run time. So it's got its new headlight, E-unit is working. No problem with the locomotive, no problem with the motor, no problem with the tender. And with that Lionel adapter, I can run it on every consist that's on the layout. So anyway, just a quick follow-up, probably be the last video I do on this. So, as I stressed, don't overlook the jump. $7.50, there were 2 bids on it. No idea why no one bid it higher than that. As you see, it's running absolutely splendidly. And now, of course, the longer it runs, the better it will run. It's only been running, it's less than 2 hours since it arrived. Something like that. Running splendidly. No problems of any kind. So, just want to do a quick follow-up. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.